Okay, Dr. B here with a quick Dorico tip video for you. If you want to move measures up or down a stave, if you select the measure in Engrave mode, you can hit the comma button and it will knock it up to the next staff above it. If you want to knock that measure down to the stave below, you can hit the period button and it will knock it down a stave system. Make sure that I'm not lying to you. Select it, hit the down arrow button. There we go. Hope that helps. Make sure you like and subscribe for more fantastic Dorico content.